Today is just an amazing day for an exquisite bowling match, ladies and gentlemen. Our players include first-timer and extraterrestrial son Goku, who seems pretty excited to begin.
Let's give it a go!
Next up, we have the extremely competitive, proud warrior Prince Vegeta. His family and entire race was obliterated by a Hall of Fame racist. Hopefully he can redeem all those lives lost in the tragedy. And I say that because we have some fierce competition today. Up next is the world-renowned champion with a record-breaking 457 strikes in only the past few days, UI Goku. Our next player is another common participant. His record should be around 1 in 57, but since he leaves before the game ends, it doesn't count as a loss. So technically speaking, his record is 1 in 0.
Well, first off, bitch ass nigga, let me break something down for you.
After that, we got another newcomer, another extraterrestrial. Actually, now that I think about it, they're all aliens to begin with. This could be a new prodigy in the bowling scene. Goku in brackets Grand Tour. Last but not least, I mean, she's not an alien for once. Suppose that's new. The first one to go today is our new participant. The pins have been summoned. If we put into account that this is Goku's first attempt at even holding a ball in the first place, I'm expecting nothing more than a strike! Oh my lord almighty! I immediately take back what I blabbered a few seconds ago. Now, we could argue that the first throw by Goku could be easily considered as pure luck, but he is free to— Jesus, Mary, and Joseph, he has done it once again! Nothing like this has ever been seen before in a bowling. Vegeta seems a little discombobulated by what transpired, but hopefully he won't let it get into his head during his first throw.
I have the power too.
Not bad at all. As expected from a top competitor, this upcoming throw should be nothing short of stellar. Only a few pins and he can confirm the spare.
Vegeta!
Oh Nelly, it appears that Vegeta was distracted the centisecond before his decisive shot. A gutter ball is— Whoa, what's going on? Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to apologize for the intermission. Prince Vegeta decided to disqualify himself following an emotional breakdown in a supposed midlife crisis. Anyway, we go straight back into the action with our next contestant, UI Goku. As I said earlier, he's a world-class champion with presumably eon. Oh, and would you look at that, the pins have vanished from our existence, and as a matter of fact, that shot was so powerful that it counted as 2 strikes. Huh? Where's he go? And with that, we move on to contestant Zamasu, and I'm gonna be honest with everybody today, I'm not anticipating anything spectacular from the get-go, but hey, who knows? We had a pretty surprising turn of events today, so perhaps Zamasu could be able to break the mold. Okay, yet again, I take back what I said. Oh, and there he goes again. Goku in brackets Grand Tour is up next. Considering that he is part of the Goku family tree, my hopes are pretty high up for an excellent set of shots. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to once again apologize for another intermission. Goku in brackets Grand Tour had to be escorted out of the arena after being responsible for the death of 5 innocent civilians from that apartment complex. Our condolences go out to the victims' families. Our last participant is our fish out of water, Videl. She too is a new player in the sport of bowling, so let's wish her the best. God knows she needs it, especially after what occurred today. Oh, alright. Some unidentified figures have stormed the arena and are physically abusing Videl as we speak. Due to unforeseen circumstances, we might have to postpone today's event. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you can forgive the DBB team for today's mishaps. We will see you next time.